Wall art decor enhances your living spaces with aesthetic appeal, transforming plain walls into captivating focal points. From modern abstract pieces to classic designs, it adds personality, color, and style to any room. That's why I've done the hard work for you, hours of research, reading countless reviews to bring you the very best options available. Whether you're looking for comfort, support, or value, this list has something for everyone. Stick around, and if you're curious about the details or prices, check the description below. Choosing the perfect wall art decor can be overwhelming with so many options out there, each offering different features, benefits, and price points. Now, let's dive into the top wall art decor that could transform your comfort. Product 1. Lego Art Hokusai Wall Art. Transform your space with the iconic beauty of Hokusai's The Great Wave, reimagined as a stunning Lego art piece. This 1810-piece DIY kit lets you build an eye-catching 3D framed masterpiece, complete with 6 canvas bases, 2 hanger elements, and Hokusai's signature tile. Designed for adults, it's more than just a craft. It's a meditative journey. Scan the QR code to enjoy a custom soundtrack as you build the legendary art piece to life. Perfect for home or office decor, this timeless piece measures 15.5 and comes with a premium booklet full of art insights. Celebrate creativity and indulge your passion with Lego art. Product 2. Pigort 3 Pieces Metal Flowers Wall Arts. Elevate your space with the chic simplicity of the Pigort Metal Flowers Wall Art Set. These 16.7-inch black metal pieces, featuring elegant vase and flower silhouettes, bring a natural and modern boho vibe to your home. Perfect for any room, living room, bedroom, dining room, or bathroom. These rustic farmhouse-style decor items effortlessly enhance your space with artistic flair. Crafted for quality, the set is ideal for housewarming gifts or special occasions. Pre-drilled holes make installation a breeze, transforming your walls in minutes. Add a touch of timeless charm with Pigort's minimalist flower wall art. Product 3. 7-Pack Boho Wall Basket Decor. Transform your home with the natural charm of the 7-Pack Boho Wall Basket Decor. Handcrafted by skilled artisans using eco-friendly rattan and corn husk, each piece boasts exceptional design and sustainability. Perfect for boho-themed bedrooms, living rooms, nurseries, or kitchens, this rustic yet elegant wall decor elevates any space with its timeless beauty. Crafted for durability, these baskets undergo high-temperature sterilization, ensuring lasting quality. Easy to maintain with a simple wipe, they also double as stunning placemats for versatile use. A thoughtful gift for housewarmings or special occasions, these handmade treasures bring warmth and style to every corner of your home. Product 4. Weotree 3 Panels Modern Canvas Wall Art. Transform your walls with the serene beauty of the cloud tree. This 3-piece modern canvas wall art features high-definition prints on premium polyester canvas, capturing a stunning abstract seascape. Each panel, 12 by 16, comes stretched and ready to hang with pre-installed hooks, making it effortless to elevate your decor, perfect for any space, living room, bedroom, office, or even a hotel. This vibrant set adds elegance and tranquility to your environment. Packed securely in a carton box, it also makes a thoughtful gift for art lovers. Please note, colors may vary slightly due to monitor differences. Add the cloud tree to your home for a touch of modern sophistication. Product 5. 5 Pieces Moon Phase Wall Decor. Add celestial charm to your home with the 5 Pieces Moon Phase Wall Decor. Featuring crescent, eclipse, and full moon shapes, these hollow-style wooden wall arts bring elegance and tranquility to any space. Crafted from durable, high-quality wood, they are sturdy, fade-resistant, and built to last. With sizes ranging from 9.4 to 10.6, these hollow 3D carved designs are polished to perfection, making them ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or even bars. Easy to hang, they create a striking focal point on any wall. Perfect for boho and Nordic themes, this decor transforms your space into an elegant, serene retreat. That wraps it up for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more daily content. For product prices or further details, check the description below. And if you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to drop a comment. I'm here to help. Stay tuned for more awesome products that are sure to make your life easier and more comfortable. See you in the next one.